In this video, you will learn how to run TikTok ads to get TikTok followers step by step. Log into your TikTok ads manager. Select the particular ads manager you want to use for ad. For the purpose of this video, I'll be using this one, Popka. So I'll click on it. It will open up like this. Up on this black bar, you will see campaigns. Click on campaigns. They will ask leave site. Click on leave. At the left hand side here, you will see this create button. Click on create. It will open up like this. Down below, you will see switch to full version. Click on switch to full version. Confirm. Click on confirm. It will take you to the advertising objective page. We want to run ads for TikTok page followers. So you have to select this community interaction as your objective. When you select community interaction, you scroll down, you will see settings here and campaign name under it. Name this campaign. I will call it followers campaign. You can use any name, maybe first ad, you can use maybe name of your brand to name it. Any name, it's just for identification purpose, okay? After naming your campaign, scroll down. At the bottom right hand side here, you will see continue button. Click on continue and it will take you to the ad group. Name your ad group. I'll call it followers ad group. Scroll down, you will see targeting here. So here you set your demographics, your location. I'm using Nigeria. Then for age, you can set the age. I'm using from 25 and above. Then set your age. I'm using from 18 to 54. I'm using only female for my gender because of the products I'm advertising. Then for language, I'm using English right here. Scroll down, set your language to the language you want, right? I'm not using any interest or behavior because this is followers ad. Scroll down, you will see device. Use all for your device. Then for connection type, select Wi-Fi, 3G, 4G, and 5G. Just avoid 2G, okay? Scroll down, you will see save new audience button here. So just click on save new audience. So you can name it broad audience, okay? After naming your audience, you will see the save button down. Click on save. Then scroll down. You will see budget and schedule here. For the budget of this ad, I'll be using 4,000 naira. It is just followers ad. After setting your budget, scroll down, you will see schedule. Now you have start date and end date. So you will see set start and end time here. Click on it. This is the start time and this is the end time. I want this ad to run for just one day. So I am going to click on this. I want this ad to start the following day. So the next day is 15th and the time I want it to start by 6 a.m. So I'll set it 6 a.m. here. And okay, this hour and this is minutes. 6 a.m. Click on OK to set the time. And you will click this over here for the date. So it's starting the next day by 6 a.m. Then this is the end date. So for the end date, I want it to run for just one day and it will stop at the same time, 6 a.m. too. After setting the time, click on OK. Scroll down, you will see bidding and optimization here. The goal we are optimizing for is follow. So we want people to follow our TikTok page. Next is bid strategy. You are going to see cost cap and the next one here is maximum delivery. I want maximum delivery. So select maximum delivery. That's the last thing to set at the ad group level. Scroll down, you will see continue button down below. Click on continue. We are now at the ad level, so I will still name my ad. Remember to edit your ad name and name it the name you can use to remember it. I'll call this followers ad, okay? Scroll down, you will see ad details. So click on add videos. For creative library, that is if you want to upload your video, you can click on this upload at the right hand side here to upload your video. But I have already posted my video on my TikTok page. So I'll click on TikTok post here and select from my TikTok page, okay? So this is the video I want to use. Select the video. After selecting the video, scroll down below. You're going to see confirm button right here. Click on confirm and your video will show here like this. Can you see that? Okay, now scroll down, you will see interactive add-ons. Don't add anything there. Scroll down and you will see the tracking here. Tracking is optional. TikTok is going to track your ad for you, so you don't need to put anything there. Scroll down at the bottom here, you will see this publish all button. Click on publish all. You can see it's creating ad. Congratulations. After publishing your ad, it will take you here. This is the ad we just created now, followers campaign. If you have any questions, just drop it at the comment section and I will reply to all your questions. Don't forget to like this video if you have not done that.